Bitcoin price action, the CPI announcement edition. Before we go into that, please make sure you like this video, comment and share, and save this video before it's gone. Come, let me show you the Bitcoin chart. If you follow my previous Bitcoin price update, I did mention about this double top formation, and when you reach to this neckline over here, it should be able to make a rebound or a breakthrough. But unfortunately, it did not manage to hold the price during at the trend line, but it broke down instead. But however, I also mentioned about this very important yellow ascending trend line, this one, which has been formed a couple of months ago from the inverted head and shoulder pattern. So refer to my previous Bitcoin price update announcement video where I explained about how does this line comes about. So it did play out exactly like what I have expected it to happen. It bounced from the trend line here and it go back up. Now, why is this volatility of this green color candle that actually pushed all the way up to the next level of resistance here is because of this CPI announcement that happens at 1.5 hours ago. Now, what is this CPI announcement is? CPI means Consumer Price Index announcement, where they will announce all these rates as a consumer price index, whether it will goes up or it goes down. Eventually, it will create some volatility to the movement, as we can see right here. So this is exactly the time when you come to the announcement, which is like 1.5 hours ago. You can see that the price has been pushing all the way up. This is a 4-hour chart, okay? So which means each of these candles right here is a 4-hour movement. Now, with that being said, for the past like 41 hours, the price hasn't been really moving much. It's just moving in within this area right here, bouncing above this ascending trend line. So when it comes to the CPI announcement, immediately the price pushed all the way up here. So what is going to be our next anticipation for Bitcoin price update? Critical areas that we all need to take note of is actually this line right here. This line is at a level of 28,359. Now, I am expecting this level to broke above it and the candle close above it. So it will subsequently go to the next resistance right here, which is at 28,772. Okay, so I am eyeing at only these two levels first, because after this, I'm not too sure whether we can maintain that level of volume to push all the way up. It might actually move like this sideways, bouncing between these two resistance line right here before it makes another move up or makes another move down. So these are the few or the closest to resistance line that everyone should actually take note of in order for us to plan our next trade. One day, one new knowledge. Have you learned something new? If yes, please help me to support this channel by following this account for more. And if you would like to know how you can make your first profits or make your first trade, I can actually teach you to trade for free. Head on to my bio and check out this meta trading strategy course, or send me a message so that we can keep in touch from there. We'll speak very soon.